Today, we unbox and install lower control arms on this 2016 Ford Fusion. The left lower control arm and the right lower control arm. Tools required for the lower control arm removal and installation on a Ford Fusion: 1/2-inch electric impact, 19mm and 21mm double-ended wrench, 15mm open-ended wrench, 10mm open-ended wrench, 8mm open-ended wrench, 19mm 1/2-inch socket, 3/4 short extension, 15mm 1/2-inch socket, 18mm 1/2-inch socket, 21mm 1/2-inch socket, 1/2-inch ratcheting wrench, flat-headed screwdriver, and a 1/2-inch torque wrench. To start, remove the wheel. Using the 19mm socket, loosen all 5 lug nuts. Finish removing lug nuts with electric impact and your 19mm socket. Remove the lower shield with 10mm socket. Remove ball joint connecting bolt with 15mm wrench and 18mm socket. Remove control arm bushing bolt with 21mm socket. Remove control arm bracket bolt with 18mm socket. Separate ball joint from steering knuckle. Remove the old lower control arm. Position the new control arm. Install control arm bolts. Tighten bracket bolt with 18mm socket. Torque to 120 Nm or 88 foot-pounds. Tighten bushing bolt with 21mm socket. Torque to 140 Nm or 103 foot-pounds. Connect ball joint to steering knuckle. Tighten ball joint to knuckle bolt. Tighten with 15mm wrench and 18mm socket. Reinstall lower shield with 10mm socket. Mount the wheel and thread the lug nuts. Start lug nuts by hand. Secure lug nuts with 19mm socket. Torque lug nuts to 120 Nm or 88 foot-pounds with 19mm socket.